All right, fourth grade, this is your lesson 10 video, which again is on rounding. So we are going to do a couple questions together. Now let's do number 1B. We are rounding this number, 845,001, to the nearest 10,000. So I'm going to do just like I did yesterday, and I am going to rewrite it. Okay, underline the 10,000s place, and I look to the right. Is it 5 or more? Yes, it is, which means I'm going to add one more to this one. So 845,001 becomes 850,000, and that's my answer. Okay, now number 2, you are rounding to a different place value each time, so you need to double check and read carefully. So let's do A. 783 rounded to the nearest 100. So 783, underline my hundreds. Look next door. Is it 5 or more? Yes, it is, which means I'm going to add one more to the 7, making it 800. And don't forget that the rest of the numbers after your underlined digit become zeros. All right, let's do C. So I have 951,194 rounded to the nearest 100. So I'm going to underline my 100. And I'm going to look next door. Is this 5 or more? Yes, it is. So I'm going to add one more to this 1. Now all the numbers before the 1 stay the same, okay? The 1 is going to round up to a 2, and everything after are zeros. All right, let's do a bigger one. Let's do I. So 897,100 rounded to the nearest 10,000. So with this one, I have 897,100 rounded to the nearest 10,000, so I'm going to underline that one. I look next door. Is it 5 or more? Well, it sure is, which means I'm going to add one more to this 9. But remember, whenever we add 1 to 9 and we get 10, that 10 goes over to the next place value, just like our groups of 10 go over to the next place value. So this 9 will become a 10, but that means we have to add one more to this 8, just like we were carrying over that 1 if we were adding. So this 8 is going to become a 9, and the rest become zeros. And if you did your number lines, you would have gotten the same answer too, that this is obviously closer to 900,000 than it is to 800,000. All right, I really hope that these examples help you on your homework. Good luck.